Want to create a pink flower garden? Let this guide help you. Pink is a lovely color that will blend and at the same time shine with greens. This hue has warm and cool shades that you can mix and match. Fortunately, there is an abundance of fresh flowers in this chic and feminine color. You also have the option to create a garden with warm pink or cool pink flowers. Warm pink flowers tend to feature blooms in peach, salmon, coral and strawberry shades. These flowers look easy on the eye and have a calming appeal. Warm pink flowers have red and orange tones in them. Examples of blooms with warm pink flowers are Echinacea, petunias, and salvias. Cool pink flowers have either a muted or edgier shade. Think carnation pink, baby pink, hot pink, fuchsia, candy pink and bubblegum pink. These pink tones look energizing and have a slightly blue cast on them. Examples of fresh flowers with cool pink blooms are Pink Phlox Subulata, impatiens, hyssop, and foxgloves. When planning a pink garden, you can also focus on growing flowering plants that are less popular among gardeners and hobbyists. This way, you get to create an attractive garden that will certainly pique interest. Why don't you try your green thumb at growing these less popular flower choices? These pink blossoms are not just beautiful, they can be quite interesting, too. Armeria. Growing in different shades of pink, armerias, also known as thrift, would make a lovely addition to any garden. Because these are low-growing, these must be planted towards the front of a garden display for visibility. Armerias will thrive in full sun, in most soil types with good drainage. It requires no pruning, but deadheading may produce a second flush of flowers. If you want bright purplish pink armerias, pick the Armeria maritime, bloodstone, sea thrift variety. For pastel pink flowers, grow the Armeria juniperifolia or juniper-leaved thrift. Plant the Splendens sea thrift, on the other hand, if you prefer bright, deep pink flowers. Chalone, pink turtlehead. This wonderful perennial grows abundant terminal spikes of two-lipped purplish pink blooms. The flowers look like turtle heads emerging from the shell, hence the name. Plant these on rich, medium to wet soils under full sun to part shade. Disease-free, pest-free, and very, very easy to grow, this undemanding pink flowering plant would look gorgeous on borders, in woodland gardens, and as a cut flower. Gauras. With their dainty and airy look, Gaura wildflowers are set to bring an interesting fine texture in the garden. Aside from having four-petaled pink flowers that look like clouds of butterflies, this plant has red-tinged foliage that will definitely add color and contrast to your garden of greens. Gaura lindheimeri, Siskio pink, has a long blooming season. This sun lover of a plant must be grown in sandy, loamy soils. Nerines. These hardy South African natives prefer well-drained soil in sunny position. Nerine bodinii features pink flower clusters with frilly tips and reflexed petals. Also known as Guernsey lily or Bowden lily, this bloom is ready to show a spectacular display of trumpet-shaped brilliant pink flowers. Plant them on rockeries or mixed borders under full sun in a moderately fertile and well-drained soil. If you are looking for candy pink blooms for your cool pink garden, choose the Nerine Pink Jewel. Potentilla. Plant Potentilla fruticosa, pink beauty, and get clear pink flowers from this bushy deciduous shrub. Looking like wild roses, these pink blossoms grow profusely, they look like smothering the plant. You'll also love this plant's long blooming season and toughness that can withstand drought in summer and cold temperature in winter. There is also the Potentilla fruticosa shrubby cinquefoil with their large pink blooms with cheery yellow center.